Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get free Bitcoin using the OKEx app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. First, sign up to OKEx if you didn't already. Then when you open the app, at the homepage, at the OKEx homepage, on the top of the screen you will see get $10 Bitcoin when you buy $100 or more crypto, and tap on it. And here when you deposit money or invest in any other cryptos for at least $100, you will receive $10 in Bitcoin, which can be a great investment. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can get free Bitcoin using OKEx. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.